In this video, we're going to look at duplicate values. So a duplicate value is one that's repeated more than once in a spreadsheet. So if you look at our data is based around questionnaires, and if you look at rows 12 and 13, you can see that we have two number 11 questionnaires. What that means for us is that the data has been recorded twice. So that's bad for us because that's going to skew our data when we come to analyze the data. So what we want to do is to go through the spreadsheet and to remove any duplicate values. So each of those questionnaires is only recorded once. Now there are two ways in which we could do this. We could physically go through each of the rows and look for duplicate values. So there's two 11s there, there's two 13s by here. But that's going to take us some time. So what we're going to do is use the power of Excel to automate this process. So you're currently on the Home tab, and if I look at the bottom of the spreadsheet after I highlight my my data, you can see that I have 107. Okay, 107 values. So you can see that at the bottom of the spreadsheet. Well, my numbers only go up to 100, so that's indicated to me that I have 7 duplicate values. So what we're going to do is use, as I say, Excel to remove those values. So it's a simple process which I'm going to take you through now. So the first thing we need to do is to highlight the whole range of data. So I'm going to highlight from there right up to the top. And I'm going to come across to the data menu, and I'm going to select remove duplicates. So there's remove duplicates, and it's going to bring me up a dialog box. And this is asking what column do I want to look for the duplicate values. Now at the moment everything is selected, so it would look to the number of times that male and female have been duplicated, so that's not good for us. So we want to unselect all. You'll also notice that my data has headers is selected, which means that it's going to ignore the top row. So the only column that I want to use to check for duplicates is the question number column. So I'm going to select question number, and I'm going to click OK. And once I click OK, it's going to go through the spreadsheet and it's going to check for duplicate values. So I'm going to click OK. And you can see that it's stated now that 7 duplicate values have been removed and 100 unique values remain. So let's just check that is the case. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to scroll back to the top of my spreadsheet, and then I'm going to highlight the same range that I did last time down to 100, and you can see my count now is 100. So I've now removed all duplicate values from the spreadsheet. That's how you remove duplicate values from a spreadsheet.